Hello class, I'm going to give you here an exemplar of an Arduino version of the BridgeIt game assignment done in a 3D printed case. So we have our select button that we'll use. We'll use this rotary potentiometer to select the letter of the alphabet that you want to guess. Then you'll press the select button and then it'll show all the progress of the game on this OLED screen. And once the game's over, you can hit reset to start fresh again. So let's plug it in and give it a try. All right, so we have, in your situation, you will let the other player type a secret word into the serial monitor, and then you'll be presented with your bridge with the number of slots for the number of letters. And then here, I'm just using my rotary potentiometer to pick the letter that I want to guess. Now, I can't remember what this word is, so I may get it wrong, I may get it right. Let's start with a T. Nope, got it wrong. So I've got the bridge is collapsing, the one hash sign is there, and my alphabet is showing that the T was guessed. Let me try an R. Uh-oh. Okay, let's try an E. Oh, got that. Something ends with E. Let's try a D maybe? Nope. Oh, okay, we got a G. Let's try an A. Oh, there we go. Let's try an M. And I got all the way across the bridge and we won, and then we just press reset to start the game, to restart the game. Resets all the scores. You'll type in your new secret word and away you go. So this board here, this chassis here, we've got a 3D printed case done. This was done in Fusion 360, but you might be using AutoCAD. And we've got a base here, or a case for it as well. And there's just a hole in the side for the potentiometer. So on the back, you've got your Arduino, you've got a speaker, and then you've got the wires routing around to the front of that half-size case, or half-size breadboard, where we plug in the OLED screen and the two buttons. So that's an option for you. Possibly you can discuss this with your teacher in your tech design course. Might be an opportunity for you to take this game further once you've finished the BridgeIt game in ICS 3U. Thank you very much.